Hello and welcome to the new Power BI tutorial video, and in this video I want to show you how you can create the fiscal month based on the fiscal date. So in my previous videos I have shown you that with the help of the calendar auto function you can create all the fiscal dates that is related to your dates in the data set. Then how you can create the fiscal year with the help of the calculation that is present here, that basically shows from this date we will going to get the fiscal year related data. Then how we can create the fiscal quarter with the help of the switch function, where we take each of these month and group it under quarter 1, 2, 3 and 4. And finally I'll show you from the scratch in this video how you can going to get the fiscal month, which is again a bit of an arithmetic to get the output. So for that what I'm going to create is the new month, and MTH is something which I'll give it just in case if if the name is same it will going to create an error. So over here fiscal month is something we are creating with the help of the if function. So if we are saying if my month, right, and date, so based on the date that I have, which is 1st April 2016, right, so it will going to give me what, 4, right? So if it is greater than or equals to 4, that means it is my first month. So what I'll do is, whenever it is greater than equals to 4, I will say month, date and subtract the 3. So why? Because it is April, so it will give me 4. But if I subtract 3 from 4, it will going to give me what? 1. So ultimately what we are converting this value, or for this row we are saying that return 1 by subtracting 3, right? Then whenever the Jan is coming, right, so whenever the value of the month will be 1, which is the false condition in this case. So when the false condition is coming, what we will going to do is we will say month, date and add 9, because for Jan the month will be 1. When we add 9 it will become 10. For Feb it will be 2, but when we add 9 it will become 11. So 10, 11 and March will be 12th with the help of this simple mathematical calculation. And I'll close that and click OK. With that we will going to get this month 1, month 2, month 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But whenever the Jan is coming, if you see 1st Jan 2017, it becomes the month number 10, so on and so forth. So that's how you can create all your different fiscal date, fiscal year, fiscal quarter, fiscal month for your reporting purposes. Let me know if you have any question, but that's mainly I wanted to show you how you can do that. But before you go, just a quick information that I have this Google Sheet where I keep all of my videos. So here I need to write similar to this. If I press Control, copy and paste, I basically try to, Control C, Control V, how to create fiscal month, right, is something what I need. Also I have shown the quarter as well. So what I do is I keep all my inventory of my reports over here. That way you can come over here. The link is present in the description. So this is the link which is present in the description. Whole idea is you can come search or filter any of my previously posted videos with the help of the title that is present in column A. Like all of these guys are coming. And then in column B you have the link of my video. That means you can directly jump over it. So I'll be publishing. As soon as I publish, all of this will come over here. So that is something which I wanted to show you. Also, if you're looking for the dataset that I'm using usually on my channel for Power BI related video, then this is the one, Power BI Superstore. Again, the dataset folder link is present over here. Within dataset, you have the Power BI that contains all my Power BI related for the dashboard, the PBX file, which I am publishing also onto it. So you can download it and reference it. Also, you have the Power BI Superstore.xlsx dataset that you can go and download. With that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic.